Can you solve this initial problem we have on the board? If you think you can, pause the video and make a guess. We are expected to find the value of x in 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 18. Okay, first thing we check, we see the base 2 and we see 18. The two cannot be expressed in common base. So all we have to do is to take the logarithm. So if you take the log of both sides, we have it as log of 2 power x plus 1 is equals to log of 18. Good. There's a law of logarithm which says that whenever we raise any number in logarithm to a power, we can still multiply the power to the log. Same thing is applying here. So we are going to multiply x plus 2, x plus 1 to the log. So if you do that, we have it to be that we have x plus 1 multiplied by log 2 is equals to log 18. Okay? The next thing we have to do is that we are going to multiply log 2 to all the terms inside the bracket to open the bracket. So we have it that log 2 multiply x will give you x log 2. Then log 2 multiply 1 will give you what? Log 2 only. And that's equals to log 18. The next thing we do is to subtract log 2 from both sides. Okay? So that we'll be left with x log 2 is equal to log 18 minus log 2. Okay? There's another law of logarithm which says that whenever we are subtracting logarithm in the same base, all we have to do is to divide the numbers. So here we'll have x log 2 is equal to, we are subtracting this log in the same base of log. So we can keep the base the same. Log of what? 18 divided by 2. Okay? 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we have it that x log 2 is equal to log 9. Get the x, we divide through by log 2 and we divide through by log 2. If we divide by log 2, what do we have? We have that x is equal to log 9 over log 2. So let's apply change of base so that we can get the value of x. The change of base is that x will be equal to, you can see they have of the same base, so we'll use the denominator, log of base 2 of 9. And that's just the value for x. So x is basically log of base 2 of 9. If you found the video interesting, you can like, comment, and share for more exciting tips like this.